Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Derek Ormond, and I'm part of the Defendant's Legal Counsel. As we wrap up here today, I want to first thank you for your patience and for listening to our presentation. I hope you took note of all the facts and evidence that proves that Saucy Wings was well within its rights to terminate the plaintiff's employment. Saucy Wings is an equal opportunity employer with over 100 men and women working for our 5 restaurants located throughout South Florida. As you know, we have the right to protect the public, our patrons, and the restaurant equally. As this case is about just this, I ask that you consider all the evidence and facts in the case and recommend that this case be dismissed. Did Saucy Wings in fact terminate Miss Janet Smith due to discrimination based on her pregnancy? Absolutely not. Miss Smith's termination of employment was due to her negligence at work and lack of consideration or care for company, state, and federal laws that protect everyone. These laws, or this protection, has been proven in cases such as Flessner versus Technical Communications Corp. And Hobson versus McLean Hospital. Did Saucy Wings violate Miss Janet Smith's right to reasonable accommodation, which gave her enough time to express milk for her newborn child? Absolutely not. Again, although proven in cases such as Urbano versus the Continental Airlines and Falk versus the City of Glendale, we are not absolutely required to accommodate Ms. Smith due to the restaurant's size and the negative impact this accommodation would have had on the company. The manager at the restaurant did the best he could, which he's done for many people in the past in the same situation. He provided 3 10-minute breaks to pump the breast milk and provided a private area in which to do it in. By providing any further accommodation would be considered differential treatment, as proven in cases Vacon versus Davis. I want to now turn to my partner for further explanation of the facts.
Good evening. My name is Blagoje Mitevski. I'm a member of Team 4 and we are defended in this case. I will talk about facts. Janet was working in this restaurant about 2 years. Janet became pregnant 4 weeks after she delivered the baby. She returned to work. She bring doctor notice with her. Doctor recommend that she need extended breaks. The store manager did not approve a recommendation. He said that his company is too small and the company cannot afford to hire the extra staff to cover her 30 minutes breaks. The store manager warning Janet about extending breaks. That was the company policy. Few weeks Janet expressed breast milk in the break time. One day she forgot personal cooler and she put the breast milk in the restaurant cooler. One of the waiters didn't realize that is the breast milk and served the milk to the customer. The child complained about taste of the milk and told to parents, and parents complained to the restaurant. This could be liability for the restaurant. Same day, Janet was terminated. Janet was terminated because she violated company policy and she violated the Florida Health Code and Federal Food Code. The personal items cannot be placed in company cooler because the restaurant products can be contaminated. Our third member of the group will explain the rest of the case.
Hello, my name is Tara Rockwell. As my counterparts have shown in the issues and facts of this case, we fully believe that Saucy Wings should be found not guilty. This is because we fully are behind the fact that Jane was terminated due to her negligence and not that Saucy Wings was violating any of her rights. Saucy Wings has a right and a duty not only to protect the other employees, but to protect its customers and itself. This is why she was terminated. Saucy Wings provided enough places for her to express milk and store it with a reasonable amount of time to do it. With her not following the guidelines in the guidebook on where she can store her breast milk and how long her breaks are. This is the reason why she was terminated. When it's all said and done, the most important thing is the fact that she violated not only the guidebook for the company, but national and state health code laws when she placed her breast milk into the fridge in the kitchen. We understand and accept that sometimes things happen, but she had the choice to throw away instead of putting not only the waitress that served the milk, but the customer she served it to at risk. We have all the rights to terminate her because of this. Her pregnancy and return to work while nursing were not the reasons for her to be terminated from the company. It was her negligence and total violation of the rules that got her there. These are not the type of things that can be allowed and permitted to have a repeat offense. This is why Saucy Wings should be found not guilty. I want to thank you for all for hearing us for tonight. I hope you have a great day.